AI can mean so many different things. In some ways, AI is a shapeshifter. So an analogy for AI could be we have AI as a black box. We don't know what's going on inside of it. Another way to think about it is AI is a zip file of the internet. In other words, you give it some context, a prompt, and then it unzips the related things from the internet relative to your prompt. My name's Matt Groh. I'm coming here from Kellogg School of Management, and I run a lab called the Human AI Collaboration Lab. It turns out that research and people's personal experiences reveal that AI is actually pretty good at making people feel heard, validated, affirmed. And so in our research, we took this idea that AI is pretty good at empathic communication and said, why don't we flip the script and say, rather than AI offering the empathic communication, automating it away, what if we augmented human skill? The collaboration with ISB is really focused on taking our research and putting it in the Indian context. One thing that really connects some of the research that I'm doing on AI coaching for soft skill training is some of the work that Professor Lena is doing around training female entrepreneurs on entrepreneurship, literacy, and skills. So I spoke with Professor Harsha and Vandith about the future of work. So what they have is pretty cool data sets that they can combine both what labor demand is and labor supply via LinkedIn data, via job search ads. And the question is, well, how's work changing when AI is transforming everything? This is a trip where I really focused on being here at ISB and meeting lots of folks, but in between all the meetings, I had a 3-hour opportunity to get out of the campus and visit Hyderabad. And so I chose to go to Golconda Fort because I heard both there's views of the city and that it's essentially a 500-plus-year-old fort that was the founding kind of element of this city. A lot of times cultures are different, and the differences in the cultures is going to help reveal some new key insights about the kind of work you're doing.